SAP LES Training from Vistasparks Solutions. SAP LES Logistics Execution System. Training is designed to provide complete knowledge of SAP logistics execution processes including warehouse management, delivery processing, transportation, and goods movement activities. This training program provides complete knowledge of SAP LES configuration, logistics processes, warehouse operations, integration with SAP modules, and real-time business scenarios. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email it to know more about our services. The company provides training on logistics management, which includes transportation, warehousing, inventory management, and other related areas. The training is led by experts who have extensive experience in these fields. Participants learn how to optimize their operations and reduce costs through efficient use of technology and processes. They also gain insights into the latest trends and innovations in logistics management. Through interactive sessions and case studies, participants develop problem-solving skills and learn how to apply them in real-world scenarios. The training covers a wide range of topics, including transportation planning, warehouse management, and inventory control. By the end of the training, participants are equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to implement changes in their own organizations. The company has been working with SAP for over a decade, providing solutions that meet the needs of various industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and retail. Their expertise in implementing SAP logistics execution has helped numerous companies improve their operational efficiency and reduce costs. 2. By leveraging advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, they have developed innovative solutions that enable real-time monitoring and control of inventory, orders, and shipments. This approach allows companies to make data-driven decisions and respond quickly to changes in the market. With their extensive experience and knowledge of SAP logistics execution, Vistasparks Solutions offers customized solutions tailored to each client's specific needs. They provide training and support to ensure seamless integration with existing systems and processes. Our personalized training programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of each participant. Each participant receives a comprehensive assessment of their current skills and knowledge, followed by a customized learning plan that outlines the necessary steps to achieve their desired outcome. The participants then engage in one-on-one sessions with certified instructors who provide guidance and support throughout the entire process. The company has a strong commitment to providing high-quality training programs for its employees. The training programs are designed to meet the specific needs of each department within the company. Each department has its own set of goals and objectives that need to be met. The training programs are tailored to address these specific needs and provide the necessary skills and knowledge required to achieve these goals. The training programs also aim to improve the overall performance of the employees and increase their productivity. The training programs are delivered through various channels such as classroom instruction, online learning, and on-the-job training. The training programs are designed to be flexible and adaptable to the changing needs of the company. The training programs also include a range of assessment tools and evaluation methods to measure the effectiveness of the training. The company has implemented a comprehensive training program that covers all aspects of the business operations. The training program includes modules on leadership development, communication skills, and time management. The training program also includes a range of soft skills training, such as teamwork, problem-solving, and conflict resolution. The training program is led by experienced trainers who have expertise in the relevant subject matter. The trainers are trained to deliver engaging and interactive training sessions that cater to the diverse needs of the employees. The training program is designed to be highly effective and efficient, with a focus on achieving tangible results. The company has seen significant improvements in employee engagement and productivity since implementing the training program. The training program has helped to build a culture of continuous learning and improvement within the organization. The company has also seen an increase in employee retention rates and a reduction in turnover costs. The training program has been recognized as one of the most effective training programs in the industry. The Logistics Execution module provides a comprehensive overview of the logistics execution process. This includes core concepts such as SAP LE architecture and architecture fundamentals. Understanding these concepts is crucial for implementing effective logistics management systems. The module also covers the definition of enterprise structure, including key components such as plants, storage locations, and shipping points. Additionally, it explains how different modules integrate to form a cohesive system. To achieve seamless connectivity between SAP and other modules, a thorough understanding of SAP LE architecture and enterprise structure is necessary. Furthermore, this knowledge enables organizations to implement end-to-end processes, streamlining their logistics operations. By mastering these concepts, individuals can effectively manage and optimize their logistics functions. The key concepts of warehouse management include understanding storage organization and centralized versus decentralized systems. In this module, we will explore how to set up storage types, warehouse structures, and control sections. We will also discuss the importance of maximizing cycle strategies and configuration space utilization. Additionally, we will cover goods movement processes such as receiving, issuing, and transferring orders, POSes. These processes involve managing goods receipts, issues, and transfers, and optimizing workflows to ensure efficient operations. By mastering these processes, organizations can improve their overall supply chain efficiency and reduce costs. The company has implemented a new system for managing delivery processes. This system enables efficient management of delivery configurations, sales orders, and other related tasks. The new system allows users to configure different delivery types, create custom document structures, and categorize items into various groups. Additionally, it facilitates linking of outbound deliveries to sales orders. The system also includes features that support data analysis and reporting.